Today we are checking out the KLARUS XT2 CR Pro Tactical Flashlight. This compact rechargeable light delivers up to 2300 lumens with a powerful beam designed for everyday carry, outdoor use, and emergencies. Let's see what comes inside the box with the KLARUS XT2 CR Pro. A compact tactical flashlight producing up to 2300 lumens. Inside, you will get the flashlight, 4000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, USB-C charging cable, a carrying holster, lanyard, spare O-ring, and a user manual. Charging the KLARUS XT2 CR Pro is simple. Just plug in the USB-C cable directly into the flashlight and connect the other end to a power source. No need to remove the battery. It charges right inside the flashlight. Here you can see the KLARUS XT2 CR Pro turned on from about 2 foot away, giving you a close-up look at the brightness and the beam pattern against the wall. Now let's see that KLARUS XT2 CR Pro can do in a dark garage. With the flashlight turned on, you can really see how wide the beam spreads as it lights up the entire garage door. It gives you a good combination of a bright center beam with plenty of surrounding light, making it easy to see a much larger area. Now we'll switch over to the strobe function. As you can see, it produces a rapid, extremely bright flashing pattern designed to quickly get attention in an emergency situation. And that wraps up our look at the KLARUS XT2 CR Pro, a compact, rechargeable, tactical flashlight putting out up to 2300 lumens. Thanks for watching.